Hey Gems, welcome back to my channel. For today's vid, I'm going to be doing a review on this Nadula hair. It is a 20-inch Brazilian water wave wig. I ordered it through Amazon, and I'm showing the box here and everything it came with. It came in this box. It came with a card, as you can see, a wig cap that was black, and like a headband thing. So to start off, I decided to put some BioSilk on the top part of the wig where I was going to be hot combing it. And I had already plucked the wig before this, like before starting the video, because I'm sorry, I had to. So I plucked it before this. So any plucking you see me do in this video was just me when I had decided, like, okay, I'm gonna stop plucking and wait till when I actually start styling the wig and see. So I was just hot combing the wig, just trying to see how flat I liked it. At first I was hot combing it on like a 5 temperature or something like that, and I realized that wasn't it, so I went up to a 15 because that's how my hot comb works. And so then the motions I was going in, I realized wasn't really doing much. So I started going in like a flat, like laying it flatter against the hair and down. I know this might not be necessary to everybody, but if you have never used a hot comb, that method is probably better for you. As you can see right here, that I started going more in a flat direction. No, I'm not burning it. It's just the BioSilk in the hair, which is amazing, by the way. Shorty stayed on flat. So yeah, I was just hot combing and projecting, and then I took some of the mousse I had to lay it down on top to see if I liked it, if it was flat enough, because I planned to put mousse in the rest of the hair because that's how I was gonna wear it this day that I was getting it together. So then now I'm just trying to see my baby hair vision. I will say it's better to do your baby hairs while it's on your head. But I was like, you know what? Let me just do it now. It honestly didn't really do much. Like, I still had to change it up while it was on my head. So now I'm just going and adjusting the part, seeing how I like it, re-hot combing it, adjusting the part, just going back and forth, seeing if I need to lengthen the part, if if it's laying flat enough, if everything's going right, if there's any pieces that need to be fixed, just doing what I do, finessing, figuring things out. I'm still a newbie to the human hair gang. So now I'm gonna start doing my wood cap method. I cut my ears out. Then I start with the Got To Be Free spray, and I just put it like all around my hairline. I'm just going around my hairline, getting it together, doing what I do. This is more just a watch thing. Everybody does it different. I'm not necessarily saying this is a tutorial, or more or less just me showing you what I did with this wig, if you ask. So if you find someone who is teaching it in a way that's easier for you to follow, great. If you feel like I did it wrong, you can tell me respectfully. Remember that part. Yeah. And my blow dryer is on the cool setting while I'm blow drying it on my head. And this is me lifting it, seeing if it's down enough, just making sure it's dry before I either go in with another coat of it, trying to see if there's any parts that need more or not. Yeah. Me making faces because I was listening to music like the whole time I was doing all this. So y'all already know my signature listen to music stuff might be up in here. Then I cut my lace into 4s. And just started going in, spraying some freeze spray, putting down, blow drying it, and just moving section by section, going through, making sure everything was cool and just, you know, adjusting it. And that's what I did, and that's what I'm that's what I'm doing. Now I'm back to style the hair while I keep my scarf on. For this, I just sprayed my hair with water, which I had to use this raggedy sprayer until I get another mister. But I'm spraying my hair with water, and pretty much I'm just gonna spray it with water. I use this mousse that I got from, I'll have to put it in the description box, but I use this mousse, and then I use this Garnier like curl. It's kind of like a gel and a cream mixed together, but already like in the bottle, it's really good. I liked it. And now I'm back with a beat face, bitches. That was disrespectful. But I'm back with a beat face. I was really feeling myself. You know, when your face is beat, the look come together, you be like, yes. All I did for my part was I put some concealer in the part. I didn't want to, you know, get to over plucking, and I didn't really bleach the knots as I said, I didn't. But then this is, you know, taking selfies, feeling cute, hyping herself up. She ain't even know she get this bad, but she did. But yes, thank y'all for watching this journey of me doing my hair.